I'm Strutty, but you can call me Uno, numero uno. I'm the leader of the Head in the Sand gang.
Can I join, can I?
Sorry, members only.
Oh,
Hi, Struts.
Who's this?
Hi, Elroy. Hi, Chirpy. It's Foodle.
That's a weird name.
And she looks really different in those pink and yellow stripes.
Have you ever seen head feathers like those?
She looks weird.
Looks like a loner. We won't be letting her join our gang.
Now, we're far too cool to have anything to do with her.
I'll text the gang and let them know.
oh man, I feel so angry. And to make things worse, here comes a great big crow who looks really scary.
Hey, I'm Merle. Can I sit next to you?
Yes, of course, I'm Poodle, and I'm pleased to meet you, because right now I really need a friend.
Everybody needs a friend.
But not everyone is friendly.
In time, they will be friendly, and today's assembly should help.
I hope so. See you guys later. Bye.
Well, in the public sketch, Foodle was being treated badly and she was being ignored. She really needed a friend.
What makes a good friend? What sort of things does a good friend do?
A good friend helps them and cares for them.
Oh, helps and cares for them. That's a great answer, yes?
Well, if they're hurt, they can lie and look after them. That's kind of like a friend.
Oh, looking after them. That's being a good friend, isn't it? Yes.
Playing with them.
Playing with them. Lovely, yes.
They be kind.
Being kind. These are great words, yeah.
They're always there when they need them.
Oh, lovely. Always there when they need them, yeah.
Looking out for them.
Looking out for them. Let's have 3 more. Yeah.
Help them.
Help them.
They're loyal.
What a good word.
Yes.
Loyal. Fantastic. Right,
Be friendly.
be friendly. Lovely. Thank you guys for all your answers.
Well, we can all show love and be a good friend, especially when we know that somebody's hurting.
Yes, and that is all about what today's assembly is about. It's about how love is shown by what we do.
What a terrible day. I've lost my mum out here in Royden and I'm out here all alone. I'm lost. Plus I've got an awful ache in my tummy. How's a bird supposed to fly with tummy ache? Oh, I wish someone would help me find my way back home. I'm tired, I'm sore and I'm scared. Oh hey, here comes Chirpy. Hi Chirpy, I'm lost. And I don't know how to get home. And I'm sick too. My tummy is so sore. Please, could you help me? Please.
Oh, hi, Elroy. I'm on my way to the cinema to see Pirates of the Caribbean. Right now. Sorry.
Oh, Chirpy, I thought we were friends, so it's no use. I'm so miserable. Oh, hey, here comes Struts the Emu. Hi, Struts. I'm lost and I don't feel very well. I really need a friend right now. You'll help me, won't you? Please.
Hi, Elroy. Oh my, you look like you're in trouble. Lost, you say? And sick too? Does your stomach feel wobbly and sore?
Oh, yes, it does.
Do you have a tired, achy feeling in your head?
Yes, I do.
Are your tail feathers drooping so you can't fly?
Oh yes, Struts. Have you felt the same way before?
No. As a matter of fact, I haven't.
You mean you won't help me?
I can't. I'm meeting Pinky the flamingo. Pink is my favourite colour. I don't want to be late. Sorry, Elroy. Maybe next time.
Oh dear. Have I got any friends?
Wait, Elroy. Oh, you're crying. What's the matter?
I'm lost and I'm sick.
That's terrible. Here, I'll help you. We can go back to my house and I'll get you some nice food. My mum has made peanut cake. It's my favourite.
Peanut.
Then you can rest for a while until you feel better.
Oh, Foodle, would you really do that for me?
Of course.
But I ignored you the other day.
That's okay, but I was upset at the time.
So what did you do?
I told my mum, and we had a cry and a hug.
Now I know what it's like to need a friend.
Everyone needs a friend. Come on, let's go home and have some cake.
Oh,
While
thank
it's
you.
still hot. Come on,
Oh,
this
for a
way.
while there I thought nobody cared.
This way.
Hey guys, who wants some peanut cake and ice cream?
Oh wow!
The cake.
Peanut cake and ice cream. This just
Here you
gets
go.
better and better.
Come and get it.
Oh.
Mm.
Mm. Mm.